Hi, Empresses. Welcome to my channel. This is Empress Now, if you see me smiling like that, then you know it's time for a tutorial. And today's tutorial is going to be how to use cleansing brush. So I've talked about how to exfoliate with chemical exfoliating ingredients like the BHA, AHA, and I've also talked about using your face towel. Today I'm going to show you how I use my brush. I'm using Vanity Planet spin brush, and it's detachable. The battery unit is here. I purchased this 2 years ago when it was a hype. Okay, so it comes with a daily brush, an exfoliating brush, and a body brush, which I hardly use. And even the exfoliating brush, I hardly use it because these days I use the BHA toners, and I learned my lesson through the hard way. When you're using the exfoliating brush, do not use an exfoliating product the same week. I made a mistake to do that, and my skin was so irritated. It was just out of hand, so rough, so red. Okay, and from that day I learned not to exfoliate more than once in the week, and by that, either the exfoliating brush or the toner. But I like to go for the toner because it's more effective for me, not just exfoliating, but then it helps with the acne too. Of course, my face is clear now. It's so interesting that usually by the time I do tutorials, my face would have cleared up. I do get acne. I do get them once in a while. I do get them, but they don't last because of my routine. So I'm going to show you how to use the brush, and I would share a few other things that you should or should not do with the brushes. So the first thing is that I always detach the brush when I'm done using it, and then I wash and let it dry very well. So to use it, you just put it here. Then I wet the brush to make the bristles very soft, and also to avoid it irritating my skin. It's wet. Then I'm going to use my Dudu Osun soap. If you're using a face wash, that's fine. You just pour the wash on it. But I'm using a soap, so I'll apply the soap on my face first. And I'm going to wet my face to help the soap glide on easily, as well as allow the brush to glide on so that it will not irritate my skin. So we'll wet it very well. And then apply the soap. Now, if you are looking for the Dudu Osun soap, I'll leave a link so you can purchase it. It is very affordable, very cheap actually. And I've had my, okay, if you watch, so be careful not to get this soap in your eye. I usually do this in the bathroom. Alright, so we start. The brush is wet. So I wash the brush, wash it very well, then leave it to dry. Leave it to dry before I take it back to the bathroom. And then, so this is my skin. And if I were to use this exfoliating brush, my face would be extremely red. Extremely red. Now, this is all that I do with the brush. Let me go into some of the do's and don'ts. One of the things I said was, when you're using the exfoliating brush head, do not use a product with those exfoliating ingredients like salicylic acid, glycolic toning solution, and those things. You might irritate your skin because the exfoliating brush is a bit rough on the skin, okay, and compared to the daily brush is very mild. The bristles are very soft, so they just gently cleanse your face. So if you're going to use a brush head, go with the daily one, then use your exfoliating product, but not the two together. As I said, I've had experience with that and my skin was highly irritated, and from that time I switched to using daily brush. If I want to cleanse very well, then I use the exfoliating toner or product. Tip number 2, when using cleansing brushes, do not use them every day. Limit them to about twice in a week. For the remaining days, you can use your hand. See how my face is. If I continue to do it every day, I might have irritated skin. So I limit it to about 2 times a week, and the rest of the week I use my hands to wash my face. Number 3, I saw a lot of YouTubers do this. They use scrubs with the brush. I did try that. My skin felt like I'd used iron rods to scrub the surface. It is a no-no, and Vanity Planet indicates that do not use scrubs. No matter how mild the granules or the particles feel, do not use them. Your skin will be irritated. It's not a good feeling. It felt like a carpet. Okay, it felt like carpet, so rough. So that is another tip for you. The last one is, after you wash, you do not need to use your scrub again or your cleanser. Your skin is exfoliated. Your skin has been cleansed. I don't think it's necessary to irritate it with the scrub again, because the bristles already have that tendency to exfoliate. Even though there's a daily brush and it's very mild, it still exfoliates in the process. What you can do is to use an exfoliating cleanser or wash and get it 2-in-1. But it's not necessary to use the brush. After that, use a scrub. You might irritate your skin. Skin is very delicate and you don't want to overdo everything. So I think that these are the tips that will help you with your skin. If you have more questions about using cleansing brushes, you can drop them below and I'll answer them. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Stay tuned. Bye.